Hey guys, this is Bruce from Epic Exposure again, and we're just kind of going on a studio tour today. We're out here in North Bend, Washington, and we're just kind of exploring some of the features of the Epic Exposure Photo Studio. So, all right, let's check out this object right here. So, one of the things that we have available as a prop in the studio is we have this old Clawfoot tub. Now, the inside of this Clawfoot tub was recently redone, so it's absolutely brand new. And it's brilliant white, and it really reflects the light back well and makes it so that, you know, as you are from an overhead position, especially looking down, you really get the pop of the light off of the tub. And so here's kind of a picture of the side of it, so you kind of get to see the side has not been refinished. But one of the cool things that we have as well here is we have a large 6-pane 1920s window with 6 panes of glass in it. And so what we do is we put the glass up, and then you shoot through the glass to the tub kind of at a sideways. We put a background in it with the candles and all that. And it's kind of cool. It's another one of those looks. But it's kind of a deeper immersion facility than the last one, the other video that we showed. So the thing about this tub that probably you should be aware of is that, you know, on the bottom, the surface of the bottom is 4 feet in length. And as you get from the interior of the tub over here to this interior lip, that's 5 feet. So if you're a very tall model, this is going to be, you know, there's going to be at some point a bit of you sticking out. So it suits smaller models better if you want the absolute flat look. But one of the things that we do with this shoot, just like the other immersion shoot, is that we put the camera way up in the air, and then the photographer can come over here, and there's the tub, and we can shoot tethered over here through this system, so we don't ever have to be in the model space. So the model has a level of privacy. I've seen pictures before of people where they actually go up and they stand on the tub and they shoot down, and when you do that, it's hard to get the entire model in the picture because you're so close. Now the model has a certain level of privacy back over where the tub is, and the person that's handling, you know, whether it's flowers or hair and makeup or wardrobe or whatnot, can be over there, and we don't also have to be over there kind of in the way. So as soon as the model is ready, we can take the pictures. If there needs to be some change, some additional coverage, some, you know, whatnot, model getting in and out, all those things, we're back here. We can even put up screens, whatnot, so that we're not involved in that part of the process. We're mostly just involved in the shoot itself. So, you know, doing this versus a hotel room versus, you know, having the photographer basically stand on the tub and look over the model, we chose a much different path here. One that allows you to capture the model from head to toe and give the model a bit of space. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that is another feature of this studio, and it comes with the rental fee. So if you rent the space on a per hour basis, we just need to know what infrastructure you would like to use, and that is part of it as well. I come with it as well, so to help you set all this stuff up and tear it all down and whatnot. So anyway, this is just another feature of what we have going on here at Epic Exposure. All right, so on to the next feature. Okay, bye-bye.